Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event brought a lot of new product announcement with it, including 2 new wearables. And if you're planning to get one of Galaxy Watch 9 or the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 smartwatch, just know that it'll stay on your wrist for a long time. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. According to sources, Samsung's latest smartwatches will be the first to receive 5 years of Wear OS updates. Compared to something like a phone, which manufacturers perceive as a high cost and often long-term investment, wearables don't tend to get the same length of support. But Google's gradually working on its risk-based commitment issues. And that's why this year's watches get an extra year as compared to the Galaxy Watch 8, which was only guaranteed 4 years of OS updates. Meanwhile, Pixel Watch currently comes with 3 years of updates only. As confirmed by sources, the Galaxy Watch 9 and Watch Ultra 2 will be supported with OS upgrades until 2031, starting with Wear OS 7, bringing them in line with Samsung's 5-year commitment to security patches, which older wearables also get. Whether anyone will actually hang on to their smartwatch for that long is another question, but at least the option's there. This year's Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event also revealed that the Galaxy Watch 9 gets a 20% battery bump over its predecessor, while the Watch Ultra 2's display gets up to 5,000 nits of brightness, up from 3,000 on the previous model. Both watches also benefited from a range of new AI-powered health tracking features, which is the main selling point for most of the watches in this area. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.